Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to add a friend on Sonic at the Olympic Games Tokyo 2020 game. So this will be the same for the iPhone, Android. It's going to be the same process throughout whatever mobile device you're using. So for most of you this will be like the home screen, but for some of you it'll have like a locked friends icon. That's because you will need to go through like a tutorial level, then a few events, then eventually be able to add friends. So if you can't, that's the problem. You need to go through the events first to do that. But for those of you who have this, you want to click on the friends button in the bottom right hand corner, that icon there. Then you're going to need your friend's ID to put in, or you need to give your friend your ID so then they can put it in. You want to click add if you have theirs, then you're going to like type it in there, search your friend's ID, type in their ID, click done, click OK, and then it will send it over to theirs. If not, just send your friend like that user ID there, and you can copy that and then paste that to like a messaging app to them, and then they'll type it in. But either which way, you click accept, like if they sent you a friend request, then you will see it here, and then click confirm. And if not, you just tell your friend to go to here, and then they'll be able to accept it like this. And then they'll be able to see your friends list, and then once that's done, you will be able to go out into a game, play the game, and then they'll be able to like challenge your like results, etc. like that. You'll be able to see their results, things like that. So leave a like on the video if you are going to go out and do this. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on the screen to see my how-to videos on the Sonic at the Olympic Games app. But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.